Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is an exciting video because I am reviewing and trying out the new Fenty Beauty Snap Shadows. I am going to be showing you guys a makeup tutorial using them, as well as how they blend, how they apply, and all of my thoughts. So if you guys are interested to see what I think about the new Fenty Beauty Snap Shadow palette, then just keep on watching. And if you guys are new here, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy, and subscribe so you never miss a new video. And don't forget to turn on the bell button so you always get notified every time I upload a new video. Now, enough talking, let's jump right in. Here, I'm going to show you all of the palettes up close so you guys can see them. This palette is the number 3 Deep Neutrals. This is the Fenty Beauty number 1 True Neutrals palette. And this is the Fenty Beauty number 6. This is the Smoky palette. So each of these palettes retails for $25 US, and if you buy 2 or more, it says on the Sephora website, you will save $5. So that is really nice. And you can mix and match your favorite shades by snapping the palettes together. It's super easy. And you have a little travel ready combination of your favorite shades. I think that's really cool, and I love the size of this. I am always looking for good quality travel friendly eyeshadow palettes. I'm not looking to take a huge palette with me when I'm traveling, but I want something that's going to be cool. And it's like sometimes you want a combination of everyday and you want a combination of like night out shadows without taking like multiple palettes. So I think that this is really cool that you can just snap 2 of them together and you can mix and match them. I think that's really, really cool. Now, let me just give you a heads up that I did order I believe it was a number 3, and it shattered in shipping. It happens, but keep that in mind if you are traveling with these or you are manhandling them. I'm not very delicate with my products, so if you are somebody who is constantly dropping things like me, I'm not really sure how long these are going to last. I am dying to use the Fenty Beauty 1 palette. The True Neutrals, this speaks to me for every day, so I'm really excited to try this. So I'm going to try this one, and on my IG, I will probably do some tutorials using these as well. So definitely make sure that you are following me over on Instagram if you guys want to see my makeup tutorials. I try to do a makeup tutorial over there about once a week. So to prep my eyes, I'm going to be using my MAC paint pot. I've been really into this paint pot recently. Cannot figure out why I stopped using this because it just works so well. All right, so I am going to go into the Fenty Beauty Snap Shadow. This is in the number 1. These are the True Neutrals, and I am going to take the darkest shade right here. Now, as you can see, I'm sorry guys, my computer connector is broken and will not connect to my screen, like my actual monitor, and it's really hard for me to see if this is focusing. So I apologize if this is not focusing correctly, but this is the shadow that I just used, and as you can see, they have a lot of fallout. Fallout for me doesn't really bother me that much. It just is not pleasing to the eye. It's just really messy. But I just want something that's going to blend well and look beautiful on the eyes. Like, that's really all I care about. And I am just going to blend that into the crease. Now, these are blending really well. To avoid fallout when you have shadows like these, just make sure that you tap off the excess. So I'm going in and tapping off the excess. Now that is blending out like a dream. And actually today, because I'm feeling a little different, I am going to go ahead and do one full eye, which is something that I don't usually do. And I'm going to go in with the second shade right here. This kind of ginger color reminds me of Ginger from the Jackie Aina palette. And I'm just going to buff that, really just work that into the crease. Oh my gosh, these are the colors that I have been looking for. Ugh, these colors are just so nice. I'm just going to do all 3 in the bottom row. Again, tap off the excess. Oh, this is so beautiful. So beautiful. This will be my new everyday palette. So pretty. And I'm going to go in with that gold shade on the outer corner and work it in on top. And then for the lower lash line, I've recently been into a very smoky lower lash line. I don't know why, but that's just where I'm at. So I am going to take that darkest shade in the palette And I am just going to smoke out my lower lash line. And I'm going to smoke it all the way in. Very pretty. Love that. And then I'm also going to go back in and pack more of that shade just in the outer corner to deepen it up. I am going to go into this black shade in the 6 palette, and I'm going to use this to line my eye with. I'm just going to use this to kind of smoke out the outer edge of my eye. This is a very nice black, and it's easy to work with, but like with any black, you have to work gradually or else it will turn your eye into a terrible mess. So I am going to go ahead and duplicate this look on the other eye, and then I will be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and I put lashes on and I put mascara on. I was using the Bad Gal Bang mascara, and I used the Eyelure Wispy. These are the number 117s. I love these. And honestly, I'm obsessed with this look. I'm always a warm eyeshadow person, and I personally think that warm eyeshadows just look better on me, so I will still tend to lean towards them. But these neutrals, oh my gosh, I think I might be loving neutrals now. This palette was everything that I thought it was going to be and more. The only negatives that I can say is that they do break easily from my experience, but who knows? I bought these around like the holiday season, and I don't think people were being very gentle with packages. So if you guys have had any experience, if you guys received them broken, let me know. And they're just a little messy. There is a lot of fallout, so keep that in mind, but they perform beautifully. And honestly, when I tapped off the excess powder, like, I didn't have any fallout on my face at all, which is more important. Like, I don't care if there's fallout in the packaging. I care about if it's going to dip my brush in, tap off the excess, and then apply it, and I'm going to get a ton of fallout on my face. Even with the black, I did not get any fallout on my face, which is amazing. I have to say that my first impressions of these, I am very, very, very impressed. These are absolutely amazing, and like I said, I really love the concept of these snapping together. I think that it's really handy for traveling, and it's going to be really nice. This is something that you can just throw into your purse. I love that. I love just having like a little bag of makeup, like if I'm going somewhere last minute, that I could just touch up or apply a full face of makeup, but I don't have to take a full giant makeup bag with me everywhere I go. And these are perfect. Just throw in your bag, throw in your travel bag, and they are amazing. They're going to perform beautifully. They're going to look beautifully. Oh, I mean, this just looks so good. I'm so, so impressed with these, and I'm really glad that I purchased them. So my first impressions on the Fenty Beauty Snap Shadows are they are amazing. Love the concept. They look so beautiful. They perform beautifully. I am obsessed. So good job, Fenty Beauty, once again with an amazing product. You guys are killing it, but if you guys are thinking about picking up the Snap Shadows, definitely pick them up. I highly recommend the True Neutrals palette. It's so, so beautiful. And like I said, I don't think I'm a neutrals person, but after picking up these palettes, I think that I am now a neutrals person. So I love these. Definitely pick them up. I'm honestly blown away. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss a new video. And don't forget to turn on the bell so you always get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for all the support, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.